Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch has power and is paired with your phone. This prevents interruptions. Once connected, open the Galaxy wearable app on your phone and tap your watch name. If you prefer working on the watch, swipe down and tap Settings. These initial steps get you into the menus quickly. They also explain why pairing matters, the phone syncs system time and time zone. Now navigate to General or System to locate date and time options, and be ready for the next adjustments. Once in date and time, decide whether to use automatic network time or set it manually. Turn automatic time off if you need a manual override. This frees the hour and minute fields. Tap the time to open the editor, then swipe or tap numbers to set hour and minute, and confirm AM or PM if your watch uses 12-hour format. If you need a different time zone instead, choose time zone and pick the city or GMT offset. This keeps alarms and calendar entries aligned correctly. After adjusting, save or back out to let the watch apply the new time. Some models update instantly, others require a restart. If the change reverts, make sure your phone's network time and time zone are correct because automatic sync can override manual settings. Once done, test by checking alarms and world clock entries. If problems continue, toggle Bluetooth, restart both devices, and as a last resort, unpair and repair the watch. That usually clears persistent sync conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.